So I have already created a HTML page called index.html, JavaScript, script.js, and styles CSS. So these are the names of the three files, and I have added links to these CSS and JavaScript pages. Now let us start working on our clock. So first let us start creating the structure in HTML. Inside the body tag, I am creating a division called container, and in that I am going to write three divisions, that is hour, minute and second. Now let us go to the styles.css page. Here we will create the styling required for the our HTML classes. So let us style the container division. So here I am going to make the position as relative of this container class or division, and the margin as auto. Also, I am going to specify the width and height properties of this of our container. Now, as the background, I am going to give an image. That is, I have already downloaded two images from internet for the clock. So I am going to give the background as the image. So here I am going to take the image.png as the background image. And I have made the background image as no repeat. So only one image will be displayed. Other than that, I am writing the background size as 100% so that it will cover the entire screen. Now let us style our other classes, that is our hour, minute and second. There are some common properties for our hour, minute and second classes, so I am going to write them here. So I am going to write them together, and these are the common properties. So the position should be absolute, it should not be relative. These are the common properties of hour, minute and second classes. The background is black, position is absolute, the border radius is 10 pixel and the transform origin property I have set to bottom. Now let us style one by one. So the width of the hour should be more than the other two classes, and the height should be less. So I'm specifying the height as 25% and width as 1.8%. The left is 48.85. So this should be the left property, and the opacity should be 0.8%. I'm copying the same because we are using the same properties for minute as well. Just need to change the sizes. So the width will be less than the hour, and I'm going to specify the top property as well. The top of hour is 25, but whereas the minute is 19%, because the height of hour should be less than that of minute. Now let us style the second class, that is, so the width is 1%. The second should be the width should be the thinnest, and the height is 40%, so it should have the maximum height among the three classes, and the top is 9%. So as it is having the most height, I am giving the top less here. So let us just see if it is working fine. So yes, our clock is now fine. Our minute and everything has been fitting perfectly. Now let us start creating the JavaScript. So in the script.js class, I am going to write a method called setInterval, and here I am going to specify the date, and I am going to specify the three, that is hour, minute and second. So hour will be date dot get hours, minute will be d dot get minutes, and second will be d dot get seconds. So we have to specify the speed at which these three, that is our hour, minute and seconds runs. So I am specifying the hour rotation, minute rotation as well as second rotation. So there is a calculation for that, and I am writing the formula for that here. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I create videos every week on web development projects, so simple web development projects, as well as some. I also try to create videos related to programming on C Sharp, and also on some web development concepts as well. So if you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with all the aspiring programmers you know. Thank you so much for watching. that the clock rotates us at 360 degrees. So here we are going to convert this into degrees, and we are going to write a simple unary method for that. I'm going to make the classes as ID in my HTML, because the set interval property actually it is based on ID. So go to the CSS and make it as ID. So for ID we have to use hash instead of dot. Now in the index HTML make it as ID. Now we have made everything to ID. So now let us just verify it in our browser whether it is working fine. So I am saving everything and refreshing my browser, so I can see hour and second here. So let us check what went wrong. So let us go to the CSS page and see what has gone wrong here. So as you notice, the opacity property is kept as 0 here for the minute. So I am going to change this. So after changing the opacity property, if I refresh, let us see what is the result in the browser. So here I am actually able to see hour, minute and second. So our analog clock is working fine.